his ship, Indian Coast Guard ship Akshay, may good fortune attend her and all those who sail in her. All the best.
Contract of 8 FPVs was awarded to GSL through a competitive bidding process against stiff competition where not only government shipyard participated but also private shipyard participated. The first 2 vessels of this series were launched in end October 2024, which are being readied for delivery within this financial year. Out of remaining 4, 2 are being planned to be launched in April 25 and balance 2 will be by July 25. And I can assure my customer, that is Coast Guard, that all these vessels will be delivered by December 25 within the contractual timeline. The in-house design and construction of 8 FPV projects further consolidate our forte of self-reliant in design, a rare in the industry. These platforms have proven their excellence in both domestic and international front, where 11 similar FPVs have been delivered to Indian Coast Guard in past and 2 FPVs were delivered to Mauritius Coast Guard in 2017. In the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat, we at GSL continuously strive to achieve higher indigenous content. As a result, these ships have 65% indigenous content, including complex equipment such as gearbox and steering gear. It is worthwhile to mention that the gearboxes which are fitted on these platforms are being indigenized first time by any Indian firm. This demonstrates our resolve to reduce dependency on imports. The journey of this project has been highly challenging due to COVID-19 pandemic and geopolitical disturbances. It had led to unprecedented escalation in cost, delays by OEMs and high transit time. Other projects at GSL, namely frigate and PCVs, were also not insulated from these issues impacting construction activities.
Suppliers, our customers, so the turnaround time in delivering the required ships to our customer can further be reduced along with topmost quality. Yard's effort in expanding of its operation to various other domain areas such as general engineering services, ship repairs and refits, Indian waterways, AI projects and R&D demonstrate shipyard's commitment to innovation. I would urge the top management of shipyard to continue to do so. At the end, I would extend my heartfelt congratulations to Indian Coast Guard, Goa shipyards, designer and all those who have toiled hard to bring these vessels to the present state and prepare them for launch. We take great pride in your efforts. I would conclude by thanking personally on my behalf and also on my spouse behalf to be indulgent with us and giving us this fantastic opportunity to be with you today and be part of a very important and momentous ceremony in the journey of these 2 vessels which will be launched today. Thank you very much.
Symbolizing good fortune for the construction of the ship and the well-being of our captain and crew throughout their service. The act of launching represents one of the 4 significant milestones in the ship's life, alongside keel-laying, commissioning and decommissioning. The Indian Coast Guard plays a major role in protecting the wide-ranging peacetime maritime interests of our nation, following on-the-beat philosophy to protect vast coastline from anti-national elements and keep our oceans safe and secure. We continue to maintain round-the-clock vigil at the sea. Mere presence of Indian Coast Guard units at sea serves dual objectives of deterrence and reassurance. Our presence deters people with ill intent and at the same time reassures maritime community who look up to us as saviors at sea, as they are assured that Indian Coast Guard will swiftly respond to any distress call or life-threatening situations at sea.